Hey, crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to and today we're diving into a game changer for your crypto trading journey, our very own crypto futures signal service. Get ready for a revelation that's been transforming my crypto world. It's all about maximizing profits and minimizing risks, the ultimate combo every trader dreams of. In the fast-paced world of crypto, having the right signals is like having a secret weapon. It's time to supercharge your trading strategy. Meet TradeMaster Signal Service, the crypto futures signal service that's making waves. We pride ourselves on providing accurate, timely, and actionable signals that can make a significant difference in your trades. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, our user-friendly platform is designed to cater to everyone. We believe in making crypto trading accessible to all. Our signals are like your crypto compass, guiding you through the volatile markets. It's not just about making trades, it's about making smart, profitable trades. We understand the importance of risk management. Our signals not only focus on potential gains, but also help you manage and mitigate risks effectively. Let's take a quick tour of the TradeMaster Signal Service platform. The user interface is sleek, intuitive, and designed to provide you with all the information you need at your fingertips. We offer a variety of signals, from entry and exit points to market trends and analysis. It's like having a team of experienced analysts right in your pocket. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of our members who have experienced real success using TradeMaster Signal Service. Their stories speak volumes about the impact our signals can have on your trading journey. What makes TradeMaster Signal Service unique? We offer exclusive features like, it's not just a signal service, it's a community and a learning hub for crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your crypto trading to the next level? Head over to our website and sign up now. For just $8 a month or a special annual offer of $29, you can supercharge your profits and unlock the full potential of your crypto trading journey with TradeMaster Signal Service. In conclusion, TradeMaster Signal Service is not just a signal service. It's a pathway to unlocking your crypto trading potential. If you're serious about making smarter trades and maximizing profits, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button like this video and don't forget to check out TradeMaster Signal Service. Navigate the crypto markets together and unleash the profits.